Hello guys, welcome to this video. So today I'm gonna talk about what is Google Ads and how actually it's working. Okay, are we hit this? Are we playing with this? What is this? Okay, so every business have a motive. Why every business is exist? Okay, so when some people feel that I have the problems, on other groups is solutions about this. Okay, so the things is happen by need and solution providing. Okay, so if we see the slide, one person have the electrical problem, plumber or lawyer need a lawyer, need a case to solve. So then he's need a solution which i mean they find someone who is solutions about this problem. Okay, so that is the process of the every business. Okay, so when the peoples need the solutions, they are searching. In the previous and the past, how they get the solutions by reference and by other things. They're collecting information from others and they get the peoples which provide the solutions. But today, uh, but today is people's is using digital products like phones and everything. Even some people search more personal informations in Google's. So that is why people also search. Yeah, if they need electrician, they have some problems in their house. If they are searching electrician near me. Okay, so they are then searching and they find the someone who is providing the service. So how the circle is working? Okay, so Google's when we search, when some people need the solutions, they're searching in Google's, and some result we see like some is organic and some uh, ads. Some result is show like sponsored. Okay, so that is the Google Ads, and then the service providers is appears in the search result and the people is click on this and other processes happen in backend. Okay, so let's explain how is this things is working. So first, what is the scenario when some people need the service? They are searching in Google's electrician, emergency electrician service near me. Okay, so then they see some results and they click in ads and click the websites. They are enter and they see what they're providing, the service, reviews, website, everything. Okay, and how those things is working? They clicking in there and how does okay, so every business working for solution, giving solutions. Okay, and the persons have a problem to solve a solution. So these peoples when need the solutions, the exact times how the person who is providing the solution, how they connect. Okay, so that connector is the Google Ads. When people search the electrician, lawyer, plumbing service, cleaning service near me, then exact moment the service provider is show the result of them uh, to these peoples who is really need to the service. So that is how Google's ads is connect your businesses to grow. Okay, so if you have any business, if you are any business owner, you need this, and that is very much important. In this slides I am explaining all of the things, the fundamentals, how these things is working, how can Google Ads is grow your help to grow your businesses. Okay, I explaining all of the things in here, the business, customers, problems, and business and customers. Both of them's connector is Google Ads. So if you running any businesses, you need more leads on calls. Okay, you need more precious calls. So you can try Google Ads for getting more leads and calls. Okay, so that is the things. If you need to any kind of help, I give the link of this PDF. You can read this and you uh, analyze that these things is can help you to grow your businesses. So I don't have. Okay, so if you have any question in your mind, please comment or you can message me in this contact information. So thank you so much. Bye bye, see you again.